Connecting Airtable to Power BI allows you to visualize and analyze your Airtable data with Power BI's powerful reporting tools. Here's how you can do it. Get Airtable API key. First, log into your Airtable account and navigate to your account settings to find your API key. This key is needed for authentication when connecting Airtable to Power BI. Prepare Airtable API URL. Go to the Airtable API documentation and find the API URL for your specific base and table. The URL follows this pattern. Open Power BI Desktop. Open Power BI Desktop and go to Home, Get Data, Web. Enter API URL. In the URL box, paste the Airtable API URL you prepared earlier. Authenticate. When prompted, enter your Airtable API key as the authentication method. Load data. Power BI will retrieve data from your Airtable base. Click Load to import the data into Power BI. Create visualizations. After the data is loaded, you can start creating reports and dashboards in Power BI using Airtable data.